Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the issue on your Samsung TV where of course picture size settings is not available. Alright, so if you want to access this setting, you'll notice by default it shows that it's grayed out or that it is not available. Alright, so let me show you what I mean. So if I try to select that particular setting, it says function isn't available. All right, so that's one of the issues that the Samsung TVs are facing. So I'm gonna show you to fix it. All right, so first of all, that setting is can be found easily. I'll show you how to navigate to it just in case you do not know how. All right, so you go to settings, then of course you go to all settings. There you go, it's on the pictures start option there, so it says picture size setting. All right, so now you know to get to it. First of all, you must know that this feature is grayed out by default unless you have you know how to fix it. All right, so first of all, you need to have a video that's playing. It can be a video from a flash drive or it can be a video from a source that's playing, and it must be open and playing, so it has to be a video source that's playing on the TV, and that setting will come up. I'll show you what I mean. For example, I have a flash drive connected and I'm going to show you that I can edit it. I think it should also work with YouTube, I'm not sure, but of course any video file, especially from like a flash drive. So if you go to connected device, I have a flash drive connected. All right, so I'm going to go to my videos or video file. That's simple. All right, so check this out. So if I go to this video file that I have here and I play it, now I'm going to play it and place it on repeat. So this is a simple video file. It's very simple. I'll place it on repeat. All right, so notice that it's still open. It's going to just simply play in the background. Let's pretend this is a movie or something. I was just playing. All right, so you'll notice it's playing and it's going to repeat. I've set it to repeat. All right, yeah, it's on repeat, so we know it will continue to play. So I minimize, it's still playing, do not pause it. And if I go now to settings, if I go into picture, you notice that in the background, because it was not closed, I'll be able to adjust it in real time. All right, so you can see in the background it's playing, but look at the difference now. It actually is selectable. All right, so if I click here, it will give me some. All right, so I can select it now, as you saw, and it gives me some options based on the video. So it says fit to screen, that's off, and it says zoom position. All right, so it depends on the video. The options will be varied, but as you can see here, this specific one, it gives me the option, and it says, do I want to do a custom, or it gives me the ratio, and then it will go back to the video. All right, so I can change it to, and a continuous video will be better, as you can change the options better. For this particular video, as soon as the video restarts, it does get rid of the option, but as you can see, you can do custom, you can do 4 to 3, as you can see there, and you can see it's changing in the background according to the video. All right, so you do get the idea, and that's how you do that option. It is doable. Just simply choose a movie or whatever it is, and then you can adjust that setting to your liking. All right, and it will adjust the movie on the fly. So that's how to do it on this Samsung TV or Samsung TVs that's running Tizen. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.